my Terminator buddies, and we're heading out to Cars and Coffee. And my brother's actually supposed to meet up with us this morning also. Let's see if he does. I'd be surprised if he does. Let's first meet up with Nick, and then we'll catch the rest of the gang. Hell no! Taking it to BJ McCarty, the Venomous tuning.
Is he good?
Yeah, the Murillo tuned my first Cobra before I got it, of course, and it ran like shit.
You know,
What's up, brother? Y'all ready? Good morning.
that was you.
Nah, that's my brother.
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, no, yeah, it's darker.
I was surprised he came too. I was like, man. Was that it over there? That was it over there? Oh shit. Damn, what a terrible way to start Cars and Coffee. We're heading out to go meet up with another Cobra before we get to Cars and Coffee. And I just got a call from one of my friends saying that my buddy Nick got in a car accident on the way over here. So we're going back to check him out to make sure he's alright. But according to him, he said the car is completely totaled. Damn, another Cobra down, bro. That sucks. Damn, there he is. I wonder if I can pull on the front of him to...
I think you can get right in front of things. Yeah.
I thought y'all were behind us this whole time, bro.
It's dude. That's the whole front crash bar is just it's horrible.
What happened?
We're in this left lane. That douchebag came around this corner here like going sideways. No lights, sideways. I see his headlights.
Was he like drifting or
Yeah,
some shit?
trying to. And then he went. No, if we were 5 seconds slower, they would have been head on with us.
Dude.
Even into the side of us.
That's crazy.
Yeah, they said he has insurance, so.
SVTX's albums. Till next time.
Dude, are you okay, bro? I didn't even know you were in
Did you
a
see
wreck.
him?
No, I was all the way in the front. I thought you were like following us this whole time.
He started drifting on 35. Barely missed him, and I'm right behind him. You saw how we were
Drifting?
$100.
Nick, you taking it to your house, right? I'm in the I wouldn't take it to
You was drifting?
He hit that curve so fast, dog. I had no choice.
We're on the highway, like putting on the
Yeah, we were doing faster at 55.
Yeah.
Coming around that corner.
I thought maybe it happened like because when he told me he got in an accident, I thought maybe it happened over there at the underpass when we took off from the gas station.
Oh yeah.
I was like, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
But
No, dude, yeah. No, believe me, this makes no sense.
I was like, oh no, why'd you turn to 35? I mean, what was that, 10 or 90? I was like, oh no, we went the other way. We're going to 90. I thought we were going to come up here and meet him at the Exxon.
Yeah, I was gonna meet him first, and then we're gonna meet Nick up right that more. But
I know. He said he turned that corner with his e-brake on. And
Like
as we're passing
somebody
it-
was getting close to him, so he hit his e-brake. I'm like, you're a f***ing idiot.
Yeah.
the other car's back there.
Yeah, it's behind you.
Go see if you can see it.
what is that? Civic?
And that's so sad.
I know he's heartbroken. I would be. Oh my
Dang,
god.
y'all hit the Terminator instead of that one. And the guy with this car goes, I just put a new motor in it. Like, I just got
Bro,
the
your
car
whole
back.
motor doesn't cost what those taillights cost.
I'm like, no, get the shit out. You're fucking-
That's how it works. He just fixed his car and he just fixed his.
A front wheel drive car?
Yeah, what are you trying to yeah. Like, get out of here.
I'm just glad you're okay. That's
La Familia Insurance.
you know what that means.
La Familia Insurance. No, you're getting $3, bro.
I thought today was gonna be a good day, bro. My bad.
That's not your fault. That's your fault. It's his fault. Clearly. But it's alright. Shit happened. I'm here right now. I didn't die. The airbag saved my life. I kid you not. I want to hit the steering wheel if my airbag didn't work. That's in shock, man. That's the most Sam recommended we'll do it again. I just finished working on it.
I know, dude. That's what I was just telling him.
Seriously, we're doing 55 maybe. Like we're just cruising along, not around. Yeah, we're in the very left lane, right here.
On this lane right here, coming up.
So that dude came around that corner like sideways.
Oh, because some lady was fucking texting him. Dude, I've been out of my own world. I've been in my own world. I'm fucking crazy. I fucking told that car. That he swerved. On a 25 speed limit curve. You swerve right there if you're being an idiot going fast.
That's the biggest thing.
He just has an ID.
But does he have a driver's license?
Not that we know. He doesn't have it with him. They only give him his ID.
So does that mean the insurance ain't gonna cover it?
That's between the insurance.
Yeah.
Shouldn't he be arrested? Some insurance is due. No, we don't arrest for that. Some insurance is due. Some insurance is don't.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You're not gonna want to go to San Antonio no more.
You have his address?
Oh shit. He's taking it like a champ though. I would be a whole different person. Oh my God. The prices.
Follow you?
Yeah. Dude didn't even have a license either.
Shouldn't be on the road.
Then he says, aren't you supposed to arrest him? Oh no, we don't arrest for that. I'm like, y'all need to start doing it.
So my buddy Nick is all right. He checked out okay, but his car is completely totaled. What happened was we have two highways that merge into one. My buddy Nick was on the left highway and this other Civic was on the right highway. And according to like what they said, the Civic was pulling his e-brake and drifting, and he ended up hitting my buddy Nick in the white Cobra, and he barely missed my other buddy Jonathan in the DSG Cobra. I don't know why. The dude doesn't even have a license. He shouldn't even be driving. And according to like what they said, he has some kind of cheap insurance. So I hope my buddy gets the most out of what he needs to get that car either replaced or upgraded. So we'll see what happens. The most important thing is that he's all right. So right now we're gonna head over to Cars and Coffee still, and then after that I'll check up on him again. But I just want to give you all a little brief synopsis update. Man, look at the screen on that thing, all digital dash.
Sounds like good damn.
I get tired of looking at screens all day though.
Even my son was like, yeah.
Alright guys, what an unfortunate way to start the weekend off. My boy Nick, man, my heart goes out to you, bro. I know the feeling, how that feels. It's just, it sucks. But thank God that you're alright, bro, and that's really all that matters. Who knows what the future holds for Nick? You have a few options. You can total the car. You can buy it back from the insurance company. I mean, I don't know how much attachment you have, sentimental value with that car. If I know you will, I know you're probably gonna wanna buy that car back. But either way, hopefully you can keep us updated, see what happens, and look forward to seeing the recovery of SVT Ox or SVT Ox 2.0, whatever happens, you know what I mean? That just goes to show you guys, when you're out on the road, you just can't be careful with how you're driving. You gotta keep eyes out on everybody else around you, because there's a lot of idiots out there driving stupid and reckless, and you just never know what could happen. So we're gonna end off today's video. See you guys next time. Y'all stay safe and enjoy your cars.